Meaning of greenhouse gas.
Greenhouse gas.
Greenhouse gas.
Greenhouse gas.
Greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gases are atmospheric gases that trap heat from the sun and warm the Earth's surface, similar to how a greenhouse traps warmth for plants to grow. These gases include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. Human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, have significantly increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to global warming and climate change. This is resulting in rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events, and negative impacts on ecosystems, human health, and economies worldwide.